I'm continuing my reflections today on the baptismal promises that we renew during the Easter season. And today I want to reflect on the third of the three so-called negative promises. The third one reads, "Do you renounce Satan, the author and prince of sin?" So, exactly who or what is Satan? Satan is a symbol for the power of evil. So we know that there are evil impulses in our own lives personally. There are times when we're tempted to be someone less than what God made. And when that happens, we become less than ourselves and we become alienated from ourselves. We become a stranger to ourselves and we become alienated from others around us and ultimately alienated from God. And so we need to renounce that impulse toward evil that is within us. And the impulse toward evil also is present in the world. Evil is present in the world. Evil is present in all those things that dehumanize us, that make us less human. Evil exists where there is bigotry or hatred or violence. In both cases, in both the personal impulse toward evil and in the presence of evil in the world, in both those cases, evil is, when you get right down to it, a saying no to God and saying yes to something other than God or God's image in us. And so it is important that we renounce Satan, that we renounce the evil impulses in ourselves and that are present around us.